Next comes the extensor indicis, which is here supinator, which we cannot see because it's quite deep, forming the floor of the cubital fossa. And these are the muscles which are present here in the deep of the forearm and extensor compartment. So, in summary, extensor pollicis longus, abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis. Fourth is extensor indicis, and fifth one is here, that is supinator. Right? What should be the nerve supply? We now see that in the upper limb, the dorsal side is supplied by radial nerve. Tricep is supplied by radial nerve. Similarly here, and from cubital fossa, we can see this radial nerve is running. And if you go further here, you can see all the branches.